Welcome to another edition of Birdview tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your activity center using saved views. Start by clicking the Columns button on the toolbar. Use the toggles to turn on the fields you want to display as columns in your view. When you're done, just click the Columns button again to exit the panel. To rearrange the columns, simply drag and drop the column headers. If you need to sort, freeze, unfreeze, or hide any column for a more focused view, click the ellipsis next to the column header. You can also adjust the column width by dragging the right-hand border of the header. You can use filters to narrow down projects based on status, customers, portfolios, dates, assignees, or even custom fields created at both the project and activity levels. Once you've set up your custom view, it's time to save it so you can reuse it anytime. To do this, click the bookmark icon at the top. Give your view a name and click Apply. Your view is now saved. To share this saved view, click the name of the saved view in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, toggle the option to Share with everyone in this space. To find views shared with you, click the plus icon next to Save Views. Here you'll see a list of views created by you, the ones you've shared with your team, and the views your team has shared with you. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit the Birdview knowledge base. Happy planning!